Mr. Speaker, sir, I must appreciate the action taken by the Honorable Minister in charge of veterinary relating to the Assam Cattle Protection Act 2021 or the Bill 2021. For an immediate reaction from the Meghalaya government towards Assam in this regard, we have been told in this House that a letter has been sent to the Assam government. May we know what are the main issues or the contents of this letter which was sent from Meghalaya to the Assam Chief Minister?
The content of the letter, I'll read it short in brief, Mr. Speaker, sir. The local bovine animal traders are now unable to procure milk cows and other bovine animals for legitimate business purpose due to Section 7 within bracket 1, subsection 1 and 2, and Section 7 of the Assam Cattle Preservation Act 2021. A copy of the relevant provision is enclosed herewith for ready reference. Under Section 7 within bracket 1 of the Assam Cattle Preservation Act 2021, no person shall transport or offer for transport or cause to be transported by any cattle without valid permit, and under Section 7 within bracket 7 of the same Act, the permit issued for subsection 1 within bracket 2 and 3 shall be in such form and in such manner and subject to payment of such fee as may be prescribed by the state government, whereas under Section 3 within bracket A of the same Act, state government means the government of Assam. A plain reading of Section 7 within bracket 1 and within bracket 7 and Section 3 within bracket 1 of the Assam Cattle Preservation Act 2021 revealed that only the government of Assam is authorized to issue valid permit for transportation of cattle from any place of other state through Assam to any place outside the state of Assam. I take this opportunity to impress upon you your esteem self that the Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department, Government of Meghalaya, is competent to issue valid permits to the legitimate bovine animals traders from Meghalaya state to procure bovine animals from any other state, including Assam, and transport through Assam for agriculture and other livestock business purposes. I request you, sir, kindly look into the critical legal provision as explained above and issue necessary instruction to the concern to facilitate hassle-free transport of bovine animals through Assam by the Meghalaya bovine traders bringing bovine animals from outside Meghalaya.
I must thank the Honorable Minister for that letter. It has covered all the aspects as I had desired, sir. And thank you so much for writing such a detailed letter to the Assam government. Is there any response from the Assam government yet?
We are waiting for the response. If no, then along with the department, we will plan what is the further action.